What does the X for X in syntax mean? What actually happens when this code is executed? I understand that makes a list, .isDigit, checks for true or false if an element of string, text, is a number. However, I am unsure about other steps, especially, what does that X do in front of for loop? I know what the output is, below, but how is it done?
This is just standard Python list comprehension. It's a different way of writing a longer for loop. You're looping over all the characters in your string and putting them in the list if the character is a digit. See this for more info on list comprehension. Using a for loop, you would get the same result with.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.